Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Can I tell you how miserable I feel? Only because I really wanted to post that Day of the Dead makeup on the 1st of November. You guys may have seen me post that picture on my IG, but somehow I lost the footage and I was unable to post it, so I feel terrible because I mentioned that I was going to post it, but it didn't get posted. So today we're going to make it up here by this video. Today is a very special day. Today would have been my grandmother's 100th birthday, so today I'm celebrating her life and beautiful soul. Today is also my 5th wedding anniversary with my husband. I decided to do a quick glam on this look using some new products that I bought from Sephora because you know this promo is going on. Depending on your tier, you can have early access, but the promotion is valid to the 11th of this month. So if you're interested on this look, then please keep on watching. Starting off by using this new headband that I bought in the Philippines, which has weird ears that make me look funny. This thing is actually really tight, but I do like it because it does hold my hair in place. I recently felt like my skin has been crappy, it's gross, you know, that time of the month thing. So I'm going to use this Tony Moly, or is it Molloy? Tony Moly? Tony Moly. And this is just a exfoliator, and you can see all that yucky dead skin that must have been removed. Gonna use warm water and rinse and pat dry. Now my skin is nice and smooth. I'm gonna put on some lip balm. Of course, some eye cream. This is a new product that I just got. This is by Supergoop. It's an eye cream, great for the daytime with SPF 37. And something that we must use every single day. No pun intended. This is a moisturizer with SPF 40, which is a good amount for a daily wear. I'm going to be driving a lot, so I'm going to need extra sunscreen coverage for this morning. All right. Pulling on these ears again because the hair was sticking out. Another new product by Kat Von D. This is their shade palette, which I heard lots of good reviews about. I just haven't had a chance to purchase it. And of course, with the discount, I said, hey, it's time to purchase this. She is a vegan and cruelty-free brand, so that is something that I definitely like. I'm just using the mirror for right now because it's large, it's clean, it's brand new, I can see everything. I'm going to use a little bit of a brow powder just to define the shape at the end. I haven't used this palette in such a long time, so I decided to bust this out. Since it's fall, one of my favorite seasons of the year, I decided to go for like a brown bronzy eye look today with a coral orangey lip. That was my vision. So just defining my outer crease and blending away. As always, everything will be listed down in the info box below. So I didn't really want to do a cut crease look, but I felt like using a little bit of a red and an orange in my crease to really define my crease shape. Again, giving myself an illusion of a sunken, kind of deeper set eye look. Because you know, your girl's eyelids are flat. So using these colors and using a tapered blending brush, I'm really focusing this color right at the crease line. So again, it gives an illusion of a thicker crease and more of eyelid space. So I'm just blending this just again right at the crease, trying not to get it on my lid space because that will be the bronzy color that I will apply on next. Using a flat shadow brush can really help with the controlling of the placement of where you would like to put the shadow. This is a very thin, flat brush, which is really nice because that way it doesn't get into the crease line. I'm taking that same brush with whatever product is remaining on the brush, and I'm just blending softly at the crease. Then I'm going back, adding more of that dark brown on the outer crease, taking a little bit of a highlighter color and just highlighting at the corners of my arch of my brows. Then I'm going to go back with that same crease color and fill in what's in the center of my eyes. I'm going to try out this new Givenchy Disturbia mascara. This really does give me a nice clean look. I may need to use a primer to give it more of a thicker and longer look, but so far it's actually not bad and it smells so good. Okay, my complexion's looking a bit crazy, so I'm going to use a little bit of a concealer just to neutralize that purple and brown under my eyes. Taking this Pat McGrath foundation, which I love, and I hope this is my actual shade because it's the third time I'm changing that foundation. I'm mixing this with the Becca Backlighting Primer, which is probably one of the first products I use when I posted my videos on YouTube, so it's kind of nostalgic and I haven't used it in a while, and plus it's about to be winter. I want that dewy, glowy complexion. The results are really nice, very airy, breathable, and skin finish. Taking this brown liner, I'm going to tightline, and note to self, please sharpen your pencils, guys, because it was kind of jabbing me. Taking this and rimming my lower lashes, but not my waterline this time, because I'm going to go back with that pencil brush, and I'm going to smoke it out with the leftover brown that was on the brush. Taking the slightest amount of powder to dust my T-zone, and now I'm going to go into the Kat Von D sculpting palette and sculpt away. I'm also going to take the yellow, which is like a banana powder, and highlight under my eyes and my cheekbones. But I did notice that my under eyes still had some blues and browns, so I'm going back in with a corrector pen just at the hollows of the eyes, which is the darkest right in the center. I was feeling kind of daring, guys. You guys never see me bust out this liner pen, but somehow I did today. So I'm just going to give myself a winged liner because I felt like the smoky brown just needed a little bit of definition at the lash line. And I'm taking the same highlighter and just highlighting my inner eye corners. I don't know what it is, but I'm obsessed with these type of colors lately. I bought similar colors from the Philippines and I saw these colors at Sephora and I was like, I need these in my life. This is so cute. They're the Lipstories. This giraffe is to die for. I love this color because it's orangey and corally, but it has a brown tint to it. So I was like, we're gonna wear this today. This is a matte formulation, but it is a creamy formulation, so it's not as drying. This color is so pretty because I actually overline my lips. I don't know if you guys can tell. All right, busting out another new product I bought. This is the T3 Wand Curler, and you can actually do 3 types of curls depending on the wand shape. I decided to use the large barrel because I just wanted a slight wave. This tool is very user-friendly. You just choose what size barrel you would like, place it onto the handle, click it, plug it in, and turn on the power button. So while this is warming up, you can see the lights. It goes from 1 through 5, and that will actually tell you what temperature. Just read the manual. Most curlers will have like the number of degrees, but this one just has dots, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna prep my hair with some heat protectant because this tool got so hot so fast. I was like, damn. I got so much static from that headband, so we're just gonna get this hair done quick. And I'm just going to curl it outwards, leaving the ends out because I want that beach wave effortless look. Then I'm taking my fingers and just basically combing my hair, brushing it out nice and softly so it looks nice and natural. And guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am ready for my date night because we're gonna go out and eat good. Haven't gone out in a while. Again, I apologize that I wasn't able to post that Day of the Dead makeup look. Although I spent 3 hours on that, I just felt discouraged to refilm that, but don't worry, we have lots of videos coming out. We're gonna have another monthly favorites at the end of the month, another top 5 favorites. I'm gonna have my holiday giveaway, guys. And don't forget to check my IG because I am having a Thanksgiving promo for giving thanks to you guys for hair and makeup, and you get $25 to $50 off, guys. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!